you bought a new game from Steam or Epic or even Origin, and it's a classic one. It's an EA game that you bought for like, I don't know, 300, 200 ringgit. We all know EA likes to make money. EA. So after spending your kidney and you download your game, I don't know, about like 8 hours or so, and you launch your game, and suddenly this message pops up. EA is mocking you because you have an old GPU. And this is a frustrating one, okay? And I want to give you a solution for it. Welcome back to channel Tech with Nikthesh, guys. It's your host Nikthesh. So what problem is EA showing you? Well, it's a driver problem, and your GPU may have an old driver, like me. And I have a GPU driver version 377.81, and it's quite an old one because the last time I got my driver update was on 2018. Wow. So if EA is showing this warning or mocking sign, you just need to do one problem. So the only thing you guys need to do is go to system 32. And change this file name to this file name. Don't replace it, just rename it, just add an underscore for it. What does it technically do is, I think it will disable your drivers actually. It's a pretty risky one because after playing a couple of Need for Speed Payback missions, when I tried to launch GTA 5, it didn't even launch. Especially GTA 5 is very sensitive about GPU drivers and all kinds of stuff. So what you do is, after playing your EA game, and just rename your file back again if you want to play any other games. It's a quite risky one, but it will be worth it. So that's been it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what video should I put next. Until the next one, guys, bye bye guys, and stay safe.